Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Go ahead. So, then we'll make a right here at the billboard. Alright, so we'll come to a full stop here. Move it into neutral. I'm gonna do 4x4 low.
Where's the okay here?
And then hill descent, which is in the center. Just click it. Yep, there you go.
Wow.
And we can head up. So
Okay.
first thing I want you to do is get on the ramp.
Mm-hmm.
So
Oh.
go ahead. Okay, then come and then sige, a little more, then stop here.
Oh, stop.
Sige, stop. And then I go off the brake and go to the gas kagad, eh?
Okay,
so
then
there's a
gas.
heel hold.
Oh.
Sige, brake again. Just so you can try. Sige,
Okay.
let go. So it gives you enough time to transition
Oh my
to
God.
the gas.
Oh,
Right?
yeah, okay.
So if you're braking and you're like, oh shit, it might give up, transfer to the right. Sige, then
Oh,
gas.
man.
There you go, just like that.
Okay.
So we'll go straight up. And we'll stop right here. Now, no more brakes. The car will be the one to brake for us. So,
So, yeah, so I just let off the...
nothing, yeah, let it go, let it go.
Oh, wow. So, is that the system working?
Yeah, that sound is basically it stopping us.
Oh,
right?
okay.
So when we flatten out, you'll go back to neutral. So full stop. Back to
Okay.
neutral. Off 4x4 low. And then that's it. We'll
So
leave that
just-
on. We'll leave that on,
okay.
yeah. So keep moving forward. Pass in between the two cones. Then we'll make a right here. And then we'll line it up here. Make sure your wheels are straight. This is the water wading. So this is
Mhm.
around 500 mm of water. Yep. Straighten the wheel.
Oh, straighten lang. Okay.
And slowly down. Brake.
Oop.
Yeah. Turn to the left. Okay. Turn to the left. Yeah. Left. Then straight.
Okay.
No need to brake. And the hill descent will help us. Okay, keep it straight. Turn a bit to the right. Just a little bit. There. We can stop here
Mm-hmm.
and the car will idle, no problems.
Oh, yeah.
So imagine if
yeah.
you're in a flood, right? You just stop. It's fine.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So
Okay.
this is as high as the floorboard and almost past the wheels.
Oh,
Sige,
man.
let's go. Now brake here.
Oops, sorry.
There you go. Then no brake. No brake, no brake.
No
Yeah.
brake. Huh.
Okay, so I'll deactivate it and you'll see it'll launch us forward.
Okay.
So this one will brake a bit.
Okay.
Sige pa. And then no brakes. A little quick, but it's okay. Nope. Yeah, a little gas. No brakes.
No
No
brake.
gas. Yeah. Just let it roll.
Oh, God.
So this is more of a rocky road situation.
Uh-huh.
Right?
Yeah. Ganda.
Just to show you what it can do. And it's not as uncomfortable as you think,
Yeah.
right? So go
Yeah.
left. Those are pretty big. That's higher than a sidewalk.
Oh, no problems whatsoever.
Yeah. And then we will stop right here.
Mhm.
Okay, so here we'll have a braking exercise. You'll go
Mhm.
full throttle, following this path. It's gonna turn right. You get
Okay.
to a portion where it's straight. Now we'll
Mhm.
run into three cones. Three blue cones on each side.
Mm-hmm.
We'll pass in between them, and as soon as we're beside them, that's when we'll slam on the brakes.
Alright.
So, full throttle, please. Go ahead. So you get faster, faster, good, good, faster, faster. Okay, brake. Hard, hard, hard. There, very good. Keep it down. You got what the ABS feels like, right? There was a
Yeah.
pulsing behind your pedal.
Yeah.
So that's
Ah.
the ABS working. What ABS does is it releases the calipers. We'll stop right here. Releases the calipers, allowing us to have traction to
Mm-hmm.
avoid an accident, or it could be something. Diba?
Okay.
So we'll do the park assist.
Okay.
Parallel park, signal left, because the slot we want to park in's on the left. We'll move forward. Sige. past this guy. We'll park in between the two white cars.
Mm-hmm.
So keep going. Let it scan. Sige, keep going. Brake here. Sige pa. A little more. A little more. Wait for it to say stop. Okay.
Okay.
Stop. Put in reverse. You don't need to touch the wheel, but you do control the gas and brake.
Okay.
So go ahead. Slowly. Imagine like you're the one parking. Do you go this fast when you park? No. Thank you. Just because it's kind of tight quarters, the computer really likes to make it Pino.
Oh God.
So it's a machine, so it's precise, right? But
Yeah.
for us, it's like, are you sure it's gonna make it, man?
Back up.
Okay, keep going till red. Okay, stop, put it in drive. Let it do its thing. It will straighten out your parking. So you look like a parking pro. Alright, keep going. Okay.
Oh,
that's
finished.
it.
Okay.
So, sad thing is, it doesn't help us get up. So,
Oh
just
man.
so we gotta do that on our own. So, put in reverse.
Okay.
Full lock to the left, so turn the wheel all the way. There you go. Go ahead. All the way till red. Full stop. A little more. Okay. Turn to the right.
Huh.
Perfect. Alright.
So what's nice here is the steering is so light na effortless
Easy
naman
to
yung
do it.
yeah.
Yeah. So make it easier here. So I don't think the E-Pass is that bad. I think they were able to find some things to adjust.
Okay. Oops. All right.
All right.
Thanks.